subscribe.
Hey, I'm super excited to bring you another Just Like Home playing kit. This one's the cake designer. And it looks like it's chocolate cake. Here's the back of the box. Can't wait to decorate. Let's first get this out. Got it. And we'll take this green thing off. And let's just flip this around. Now we'll take everything out of the plastic. This set comes with a bunch of stuff. This is gonna take some time, so we gotta be patient. Phew, now that we got everything out, I can show you each piece. Here's our chocolate cake. It has 6 slices that attach with Velcro like this. And here's our cake stand. This is what we're going to use to serve the cake. And here's a knife to cut the cake. For our delicious toppings, we have strawberries, blueberries, decorative flowers, and some whipped cream. There's 4 kinds of decorations and 6 of each. That means we have 24 things to decorate with. That's a lot of toppings. This set also comes with 4 forks and 4 plates. Alright, let's get started. We'll first put the cake on the stand. And I'm going to decorate mine with strawberries first. We'll put one here. One here. Put you right there. Now I'll do the blueberries. Let me know in the comments what your favorite toppings are. And how about some decorative flowers? We'll add a little bit of whipped cream. And some more fruit. Our cake is getting pretty full. It looks delicious. I'll cut you guys a slice. Let me set up the plates first. And give each plate a fork. Now I'll use this to serve our cake. Yum! This slice looks good! I'll cut 3 more. I love chocolate cake. Let me know in the comments what your favorite cake is. Cakes always remind me of birthdays. For any of you that have birthdays today, happy birthday! Here's our last slice. Dig in, everyone! This set was so much fun! I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!
Also, if you haven't done so already, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The links are in the description box below.